So guys, welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to edit text in AutoCAD, and I'm going to also show you how many ways are there to edit it. Okay, so let's start with I have written some text over here already, which I'm going to edit and show you that what you can do with the text in AutoCAD. So first you have to double click and select the whole text by Control A. So the first thing you can do is that you can change the font, the style, actually not the font, the style of the text that from the first menu over right over here, which will give you many options. By default it is annotative. I'll select standard. So now this is a standard style of text which we have done. So this, let's take it as a first sign and just tick. Okay, so second we will same step select the full text, and second we can do is we can change the height of the text from right over here by telling whatever number we want. Like this we can actually change the height of the text, which is from 1 is to 1 ratio. So this is the second way of doing it. Third way is we can actually make the text bold, that we can do in Word, same we can do in CAD also. So the fourth that we can do, we can make the text italic. It is right here, it is around a 3 degree slant. Fifth way that we can edit the text is that we can cut the text. Actually we don't need to make a line over the text. We can just select this strike through option in AutoCAD, and this will be the text edited. Then the way is that we can make an underline below the text, like the text which are really important, like notes or take care, something like that. The next way is we can also make a overline on the text by selecting this option right over here, O, and a line will be created right on the text, just like this. The next way of doing it is that we can make it as x raised to 2, that I'll show you by making some numbers. So let's say I need to write 1 raised to 2. So just you need to select here superscript, and it will write as 1 square right over here. It is that simple. The next that we can do is we can actually also make it as a subscript. The first we did superscript, then we can do a subscript also. For the same, I'll also write 2, and let's say 2 I want to make a subscript. So I'll just select the subscript option, and this will become as a subscript right over here. And the next that we can do is we can actually convert this in uppercase or lowercase. Right from here, you do not need to delete the whole thing and make it again. You just need to say select one of the option that you want. The next you can do is you can actually change the font, which I told you earlier only. And the main thing that you can do is this changing of color, and this is the same true color that you get in AutoCAD. And this is some of the ways you can change edit text in AutoCAD. So make your AutoCAD game strong and share it with someone who may need it.